Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning. First thing, you start by drinking water. First thing. Get ready, get ready. Luis, not taking A because it's a small breakout. Albo, good morning. Matteo, good morning. Raj, good morning. Vindi, good morning. Maseh, Masehla Kapari, good morning. John, good morning. Joey, good morning. Singh, good morning. Hypno, good morning. Ben, good morning, Ben. Twin Mommy Fredericks, good morning. Joey McVeigh, Joey McVeigh? I don't know if I'm reading that right. Good morning, Sammy, good morning. Diego, good morning. Francesco, good morning. Thomas, morning, Thomas. Socrates Mindu, good morning. Marcos, good morning. Ben, good morning. The boss in the house, good morning, the boss. Good morning, Albulena. Irons, morning, fella. Soft effects, it's not free. Okay. EA, look, EA has a pretty good setup. But the thing is, the breakout EA is very volatile, and since it's very volatile, I'm not feeling very comfortable taking taking it with a 5 pip breakout. I'm just not feeling comfortable. I like a better breakout here since it is very volatile. I want to have a very good setup. And also it's a second trade, so we gotta have the same kind of setup that we had with the first trade. And you guys from YouTube, you missed a very good setup, because we already won a trade in the morning, which was GBP JPY. GBP JPY, we took the 4-hour retest. We've been waiting for a long time for this setup, and we got it. So early? No, we are up from 6 a.m., man. It's 8 a.m. now. I woke up. Once I woke up, I caught GJ right away with my eyes closed. I had a coffee, I played CSGO, and now we're trading again. Lots of work was done early in the morning. Here, GBP JPY was the first trade here. GBP JPY, we made a quick 1% on GJ. We entered on this previous candle, did a second retest actually, and now it's pushing again. I think this is going to the moon. This is going all the way back. Remember what we said a few days ago? Like, we were waiting so long for this breakout. We cashed the break to the downside? No, we didn't. Did we? No, I think not. But we cashed the one to the upside. To the downside, we missed it. No, you wouldn't join at 6 a.m. because it was only for students. We didn't do a webinar. We just took the trade together. No, Ahmed. We shared it on the group. It's not necessarily to do a webinar because people already know to spot a break and retest. You just gotta say, okay, we have a break and retest, we're taking it. That's it. People know what to do. So we'll see. Now let's go and start to analyze something. First thing to do is clean the charts, because remove all the mess that happened the previous week. Previous week was tough, one of the toughest. Also, we did some mistakes, which we have to accept. But then we had a masterclass, a great comeback. Now we are back in a good run. Right now, C Trader, the copy trader, is up 3%. We are back. I was 5% last week when I started. I went all day down to make a retest. It was a deep retest, but now we're up and running. Little by little. Started with 2 today. Now we are at 3. We'll see if we get a very good trade, same as GJ. Then yeah, why not? We might take another one. Let's see, EU. So first thing, EU, you see it right away that we don't have a trade here. Move on. Euro JPY, let's see Euro JPY. Do we have a trade on Euro JPY? We see that we have a zone here. Right. Right away you see a zone here. Why there's a zone here? Because price is rejecting. It did a breakout, did a retest, moved to the next zone here. What happened after? We closed all the way below. When price pushed all the way up, we got rejected again. Now we are trying to close above, right? So we might have some continuation. If it doesn't move straight to the next zone, we still have a good range to fill. It looks good. I can't say it doesn't look good. Why do we ignore 138.350 on GJ? 350? Where's 350? $350 here. Why do we ignore? We're not ignoring. Don't understand your question. So on the 4 hour looks like the level is a little lower, but on 1 hour it looks pretty good. and I don't see much on the left unless until we go to the next zone. So we don't have a very big range, but it's not bad. It's not bad. We have, let me check here. How many pips is this? Yeah, only 12 pips. Is this worth taking it? 12 pips only? The thing here is, what I would like to see here is more rejections here. You know, price opened with a gap last night, then pushed all the way up. I would like to see more rejection at this level, just to feel safe when I take this, because I don't know, the 4 hour level is it's not that good. Check the daily. See, a daily is at this resistance. No, actually resistance is to the next level in 10 pips. We'll see. There's plenty of time. We'll check after the candles close. Okay, let's continue. EA. EA is pretty good. Is pretty good, like I said, but the only problem is the breakout. And what did I say before? We need at least 10 pips breakout on GBP pairs, and on pairs that are less volatile, it's okay to take a smaller breakout, you know, to count it as a breakout, even if it's small, like 3, 4, 5 pips. But EA is very volatile. See the red light here? That means it's very volatile. And for a very volatile pair to have a 3 pips breakout, it's not good. Because even with 10 pips breakout, and sometimes it results in a fake out. Will this continue up? It can easily continue up, but the only thing is that we have to follow rules. And the rule is this pair, we need a better breakout. We need a better breakout. 3 pips. We are in a big consolidation box. There's too many zones. We need a good breakout. Look at this here. See? This here, how did this fail? Let's see how many pips this was. See, this was only 5.8 pips. 5.8 pips breakout in a very strong zone, and it did result in a fake out. Morning, morning, morning. So we have to be careful. Let's see when we had another breakout that worked out or didn't work. We'll see this one. This one was 20 pip breakout and it worked perfectly. That's good. Not bad. Let's see when it closed below. 10 pips. See, 10 pips closed below. It worked perfectly. Did a retest. Went all the way down. I'm not going to say that's not going to work. It's not going to continue up, but I think it's just too risky for us. UJ looks like there's a consolidation box here on UJ, and we might take a look after it breaks, because God knows when it's gonna break. We have a lot of euro news. Okay, we're not taking any trades yet, we're just waiting. Wow, PMI in 48 minutes, high impact. Market PMI composite. Market manufacturing PMI high. High risk. GBP, high risk. Wow, we have a lot of news today. Good thing we woke up early today and we cashed the trade. Because looks like we're gonna have to stay away some on the next hours. A lot of news means we might have some wild moves. USD CAD has been in this range forever, just ranging and ranging from a zone to the next zone, and it's not even that big. To be fair, it's like how many pips? Hold this range, this whole range. It's not even 100 pips. So big. So we're rejecting this level a lot right now. Last week, when we took CAD JPY, we said USD CAD is gonna drop too. Did the same thing, got rejected all the way down, just like CAD JPY, also, which was a very nice trade. But then we got rejected from support. Price made some continuation to the upside. Now we're back at the same level. Current candles rejecting, previous candles rejected again at the same level. So I'm thinking that if it breaks below, like we said before, the next zone is pretty close. Next zone is pretty close. It's well, actually we have a good range. 13 pips, why not? It's good. 13 pips is not bad. If it breaks below, we might consider taking some sells. But we're gonna wait. Because right now it's nothing is official until the next candle close. So we have Euro news, GBP news, which means we're gonna have to stay away from GBP and Euro news, from GBP and Euro pairs. So what can we do is we can try to find the setup in a different pair. Somebody asked about NZD US dollar. NZD US dollar, I think, needs more consolidation. Needs more consolidation. See, the 4-hour is already break and retest to continue up. It's already break and retest to continue up. If we go on the 1-hour, we have two zones, one here and one here, which seems like already did respect actually, even though we had some weird closes. First a close below, then a close above, then all the way to the downside. Thinking about buys here, I don't know. We don't have much history to the upside. We have more history to the downside. Few rejections here, few rejections here and there, and now a rejection on a current candle. Personally, I would like more rejections here. Then a break, a retest, and continuation to the next zone. So skipping this, right now we don't have nothing. GU. I didn't really see anything on GU. Unless you are thinking about taking buys after it closes above. Unless you're thinking about that. Are you on buy on GJ? Yes, I am. No, on GJ, I close most. I only have a small runner on GJ. Let's see. Yeah, you think I'm bad. Usually I like more rejection, as you know. What? Yeah, the news are in almost 2 hours. So 10 it means news are 10:30. Time is 8:30 right now. 4 hour was a big rejection. Still 4 hour, still there's still more room to come down. And basically we don't have any traffic until this next zone here. And that's around 20-25 pips. I think so. On GUC. There's no traffic. Price is right here. Looks like it's at resistance, and it is right now on the 1 hour. Yeah, if it passes that, we might have some more continuation. We'll see. We need a breakout, then we can make decisions. See how the good breakout is, because right now I can't say I'm gonna take it or not. Can only talk about what's happening right now. NZDSD, I just talked about it. I want more rejections here. Then a break to a downside would be good. GJ is phenomenal. I had 0 doubts on GJ when I took it. I mean, I didn't even think once. Just took it straight away. Is there a way to enter GJ right now? I don't know. 1 hour looks a little bit messy. Thinking. Because there are too many zones after. I don't see anything clear on GJ, so I'm gonna skip it. So let's clear this chart on CAD JPY, and it's a very messy setup right now. Messy chart. There's rejections here. There's rejections here. So last time we took the trade at this candle. We had a good move to the upside. Lots of rejections on the left. And right now we have a very big rejection right now. So this is what I like. Another rejection. It's only Monday. Having a straight breakout is a bit risky, but good. We have a good rejection. Next candle then, a break, a retest, and some continuation. So this can be good. Keep this in mind. Don't forget that this might be very good. Gonna wait for it. Right now it's rejecting, so nothing we can do. There's another 25 minutes almost. Did you enter GJ based on the 4-hour chart? Yes, 10 pips in it. Yes, we entered GJ on the 4-hour chart because of the 4-hour breakout. In what situation, after having done analysis 1 hour, do you decide to also observe 4-hour and change the period? If the 1 hour is not that clear, Then I go to the 4 hour. If I don't see the 1 hour, 1 hour is not telling me the whole story. It's not telling me clean direction, or I want to check then also the 4 hour, see what's in it. Either way you have to look 4 hour because it might be at a resistance or something like that. So you need to make sure that everything is on point before taking a trade. Your cat looks good, your cat, but same as EA has a small breakout. For me, resistance in 4 hours around 138 or 400. 138 or 400. So you have your resistance at 400. Why at 400? Is there resistance at 400? Yeah, but that's a 40 pip range from this level to this level. Look where most of the candles are rejected, right? What do you do when you try to find a zone? You look where most of the candles are rejecting, and this is where most of the candles are rejecting. You see, okay, we have also a rejection here, but you look at we broke above the zone that had more rejections, and we broke also the zone that we had 2-3 candles. So we broke both. And this then is at another level. After we did the retest, that's the target for us. Where were we? You're a cat. Or no? What was the... Oh, you're NZD. I was thinking that I was looking at your cat. But no. So, you're NZD. We'll see later on. There's nothing much happening there. GBP CAD looks like it had a nice break and retest. GBP CAD 10 pips breakout, a retest, and flying all the way up. I don't know who caught that, but it was nice. GA, big consolidation. Now maybe we might take a look at GA here, since it looks very good. See? Yeah, if the 4 hour breaks, this can be gold. Gold trade. Not gold, but a golden trade. Unfortunately, I don't trade GA, so I'm not gonna take it. I'm just telling you guys, if you want to take it, wait for a break on the 4 hour. It looks very nice. Before anyone starts to ask, what about gold? What about gold? Just so you know, gold's sitting right at resistance right now. So you need to wait for a breakout. But next zone is very close also. So if it breaks this, it needs to close around in the middle of this range. So this zone and this zone, right? So you need to close above a retest and continuation without going first to the next zone, because if it goes straight to the next zone, then comes for a retest, too risky. We need a close in the middle, a retest, some continuation to the next zone. That's it. So this is a 34 minute. If anyone ask about gold, just text this minute, 34 minute of the stream. You have the gold analysis. Yeah, so we went through all pairs that we have. So now we gotta do is wait. Look at EJ, got rejected all the way down. So let's take a look at some charts now, because we had plenty, I think. You know, when I saw this code of yours here, it looked like Benzema. So I took the 1 hour but ended in a 0.5% loss here. I don't know why you did that. First of all, the first mistake of yours is that you only used a 5 pip stop loss. 147, 200. That's only 5 pips. Where are you going with that? You're taking a 4-hour level with 5 pips. Doesn't make sense. Also, the 4-hour level was lower. So your entry had to be lower and your stop loss had to be around here. Give it more room, because then on the top you had the whole 40 pips range. So you took it early and you used a very small stop loss. I mean, it's GBP. You can't use a 5 pip stop loss unless you're trading a different style. But a break and retest with 5 stop loss pips, 5 pip stop loss, it's not enough. Use a bigger stop. GBP and ZD. Could I have your opinion? Of course you can. What can I say other than this was very good? I don't see anything wrong with it. Next zone is around here. So this might turn bullish. Fill this range. Maybe then after continue to this next range. And then continue all the way up. But the only problem is the breakout. No, the breakout is 10 pips. I can see that is 10 pips. Yeah, good trade, I think. Don't see anything wrong with it, unless 4 hours is something else. But it looks pretty good. Nice trade. What do you know about the institution stop hunt? It doesn't exist. Just people saying stop hunts. They don't exist. They don't care about you closing your trade. Is it a good idea to take buy when it breaks and retests this level? GJ. Look, the only problem with GJ is that there are a lot of zones in between. If it breaks this level, yes, we might continue to the upside, but we're gonna need a 10 pips breakout, right? So let's count this. 10 pips. Where is this 10 pips price right now? If you look at it, it's straight to the next zone. So waiting for 10 pips means it's going to come from another zone, this one. And see how big the rejection was every time price came here. So coming to this zone, from this zone, it's a high risk trade and it might end up in a fake out. That's it. That's why I'm not looking for GJ buys right now, because I got the move. I got the first move. So it's too risky. See why it is important just to look a little here on the left. Zoom out a bit. Just take a little look here on the left. Don't look only where it favors you. Look also where it doesn't favor you. Because if you look only here, it looks perfect. But what about here and here and here? Because this might have effect on this one too. Just like drawing trend lines. You can find perfect spots to draw trend lines, to draw them how you like it, not how it is. Same thing. Nico, it is the same thing as I said before. You have the resistance a little higher, but it is the same thing. GU, probably we talked about GU, but let's take your chart. Take a look at your chart. I don't understand what's happening here. Don't understand. So did you take buys here, right? If you took buys here, then it's pretty good. Take some profits. Because we have a resistance here on the 1 hour on GU. This one. It looks like it might break. Daniel, why don't you send the charts here on the Zoom chat, since you're sending them on the group? RA, you can take some profits or close or leave them around, or it's your choice. Seen a couple of days ago you posted a video. What is that? I'm going to watch that. What is simulator session? Simulator session is backtesting. So we did some backtesting. Is this valid? Let's take a look. No, see guys, don't send the charts 2 times because I'm gonna see them. Now just repeating them. Euro GBP. Nothing much. I don't like this pair. I've said it 100 times. Nothing here. I would look for a trade if I was at this level. but around here it's nothing clear. It's not a very good level where I can say, okay, I'm gonna wait for this level to break and this, and I'm gonna take. What trade you took? In the morning, we took GJ, the 4-hour retest. Your cat came back. Can we take sells? No. Your cat is at support. It's a mess. I've said last week, there's a zone here in your cat. There's another zone lower. So see, what we have to do here is break this and this. Both clear this whole range to the downside if it wants to come to all the way down. If not, we have a good resistance here. If we break, we have clean range to the upside. Oh, EA. I thought you said, oh, sorry. I thought you said you're a cat. E8 came back, see? Just look what happened. Fake out. Wonder why. Was it a good choice that we didn't take? Yes. Small breakout. It just proved us right. Your NZD. AUD NZD. We took a trade actually on AUD NZD. It ended up at break even, didn't respect the level, but it looks very good. Lots of rejections. If we close above, might have some continuation. Euro US dollar. Dan, I think it's not clear. See the line? Middle of candles. Here it did respect. In the middle of candles, looks like a fake out. I don't like EU right now. I'm gonna trade only when we have clear setup, not inside this mess on the 1 hour. There's too many zones in between. Like you can also find see, you can also find a zone here if you look at it, because there's plenty of rejections, right? See, rejections, here, and this one, these ones, this and this. So it's not clear. You have too many zones in between. Better stay away from the EU right now. Oh, Lewis, you are totally right. AUD NZD is very slow, like took hours, and at the end it ended up at break even. Are you gonna take GU? I don't know. Right now it's a small breakout. It's not good. What did we say until now? We need a 10 pips breakout. GBP pairs. Even though in this case a very big breakout is not needed, but I just don't know, it's too small. I better wait for a pair that has a lot of rejections, gives me a good chance, like a big consolidation box like UJ here, or a CAD JPY. There's more rejections, and we know what can happen after a break this. We'll see. And we had a big rejection before. GBP better than GU has a 9 pips breakout. GBP CHF is banned on our group. We don't trade GBP CHF because it has an eye for fake outs. It just when we used to trade it, there was so many fake outs, and we decided to close it. Okay, we have a minute left, and doesn't look like it's gonna be too much. You trade NZD US dollar? Yes, I do, but sometimes, not every day. Right now, it's at support. We have a resistance above here. So I said before, we need more rejections just to have a clear idea when we want to take a trade. Okay, we have a close. Let's see. Look at EuroCAD. It closed right at support. There's no breakout here. EU, not good. EJ got rejected. EU, EA. EA went all the way down. Taking a retest wouldn't make any sense because it's 20 pips range. And I think it's probably going to continue down around here. Just going to make a small pullback and continue down. Look at the previous candles, no bottom wick. What does that mean? That means in this case, there's a huge momentum to the downside. So we might see some more continuation because that's what it makes sense. It's in the middle of two zones, so probably it's going to fill the range to the downside here. Look at the gold chart. No, I'm not looking at gold chart because I already looked. Go back to a 34-minute on the streams, 34-minute. GU please, GU please. No, GU didn't have a very good close. Now it's going up, yeah, but the close was not good. 2 pips. GJ shut up, yeah, it did. It did. I said that GJ is going to the moon. I've said that here before. Once it breaks this consolidation box, it's gonna fly. So it was just a matter of time. GBP AUD. It's not nice yet because there's no breakout on the 4-hour. For the 4-hour breakout, you need to wait more. Still need to wait for the 4-hour. Euro news in 15 minutes. Yes, there's Euro news coming up. We have to stay away from Euro right now. GBP news is in 1.5 hours, so we gotta stay away from GBP also maybe. Please check USD CAD shorts. Did it break? No, it's not good. CAD JPY didn't break. Yeah, look, we need a close below. We need a candle like this. Look, we need a candle like this. Around here. See in the middle? Then a retest. And then some continuation to the downside. Then another drop. AUD NZD. I'm not gonna trade AUD NZD, but if you want, you can. If there's a break there, then okay, you can take it. CAD JPY broken? It's not broken. CAD JPY did not break yet. Here's resistance here. It's right at resistance. Still waiting. If GJ breaks 138.450 and do a retest, is it good to enter? We have news. We're not gonna know what's gonna happen. So we'll see. I mean, if it breaks that, it's pretty good. Because we have a whole range to fill here to the upside. It is a very good chance here to enter on the break of 400. If it closes above 400, then all the way to 600, 700, it's a clear range to fill. But we're gonna have news in 1.5 hours, and it might affect the market. So 1 hour and 24 minutes. We have the news coming up, and means that the breakout might happen on 1 hour. Then we have 30 minutes, and the news will come. So it would be too risky. But you can wait for CAD JPY. CAD JPY might break. And the thing is, it might break also on the 4 hour. And then if you have a 4 hour breakout, it's going to be even better. It's going to be even better. Yeah, CAD JPY is going to be good. Did your time zone get changed, or did you start earlier today? No, I just started earlier today. Sometimes I sleep more. Sometimes I get up. I get up early every day, but sometimes I sleep for I get up, then I sleep again. Sometimes I don't, so I start earlier. Took this trade and ended in loss. Can you take a look? Yeah. What do you think about Aussie dollar? Aussie dollar, I don't know, looks bullish right now. And we're in a consolidation box, so wait for a break above. What do you think? Is it going down? If you sold, you're in big trouble because you might break up. And you don't have a reason to sell. If you're in sells on the top here, try to catch tops, just close it. Better wait for a breakout, would be better for you. Wait for a break, a retest, and continuation. And let's take a look at this chart. See why you took a loss. So you took a buy on the break and retest, but can't close back in the range and hit my stop loss. Can you help me? I'm sticking to do zone. Okay, so closed above, did a retest. No, I think there was nothing wrong actually. So you took the breakout. Where was this? Wait, I can't see. Oh, here. Okay. So you took the trade at this candle. So price closed above, did a retest, and it ended up going all the way down. So the problem is here, there was no problem. The problem is that you had to close at this candle here. Once it closed back below in the range, you had to take a small loss and leave the trade because it closed back below the range. You had to close it early here and not let it go to your stop loss. That's the only thing. But the break and retest was good. There was no I don't see anything bad here. I mean, it had to continue to the next zone. Maybe 4 had something that we don't see. So I don't know. Look at USD CAD. It's going all the way down. Looks like it's not going to wait for us. GJ, in the meanwhile, is flying. What a trade this was. I think CAD JPY is going to be very good. CAD JPY, if it breaks, it's going to give us a good chance. And Aussie dollar is also going to be very nice. Yeah. Basically, USD pairs, GU, Aussie dollar, they're all bullish right now. They are all bullish. All we got to do is wait for the breakout. Wait for the breakout and see what happens. Personally, I like Aussie dollar because we have a lot of rejections. We have a lot of rejections. The more rejections we have, the better the move is going to be after the breakout. So we rejected a few times to the downside, and maybe it's time for a breakout. AUD is pretty strong right now. Might give us a good chance. Just a second, I'll be back in a minute. Wait for me.
Good morning, brother.
Beito, morning. How are you?
I'm good. Enjoy your meal.
Just eating
What is
some
that?
chocolate.
Chocolate for breakfast? Champion's breakfast.
No, just a Milka.
Oh, I saw you ate Turkish crackers on the weekend.
Oh, yeah, eti. We have a lot of Turkish products here.
Oh,
Yeah, like a few years ago, we had uh, we were partners with this company.
who's we?
We, my family.
Whoa,
Yeah, we brought these products in Kosovo.
very nice, bro.
But then I don't know what happened. We stopped the partnership.
Hmm.
Like I had a lot of clothes and everything with their logo,
Hmm.
but I was at that time. I don't know how old I was because it's a while back. Maybe 10 years, 11, 12, or I don't know. Forgot. But I just know that we had a partnership and we sold the products here in Kosovo. They're pretty good.
Yeah, they're pretty good. Bro, I just see it right now on EA.
Yeah,
It closed back in the range again, and now it's breaking another zone. What do you think here after the news? Like, would you take a trade next hour on this one?
I don't know. We have another zone here. It's almost there. I knew this is gonna drop. I knew this is gonna make only a small pullback because momentum was very strong.
Yeah, I secured some and got out.
Good, good. It was risky. I knew it was just because the breakout was small. I mean, if it was a better breakout, I would take it definitely. Just the
What are you
breakout
watching?
was not.
What are you watching right now, EJ? Or
Right now, I was hoping that CAT JPY is going to give us something. I was hoping CAT JPY would break this and give us something. EJ, I don't really know about EJ's a lot of zones in between. We have another zone here, another one here, and it's not even 10 pips range in between. Then we have another one around here. See, this is a bad thing. Look,
yeah, but
one, two, three, four, five zones in how many pips? In a 30 pip range. So five zones in 30 pip range is too much.
it looks like it rejected the daily area and now it's running to the another zone on the daily.
Yeah, it's from a daily zone to another daily zone. We have two daily zones in between, five zones in 1 hour. It's crazy. EJ looks break to the downside. Well, yeah, UJ looks good. If it breaks below,
UJ, we can take it and look next next day if it's a win
yeah.
or not.
See, 7 pips only to this next range here. I mean, we've got only one candle. That wouldn't play much of a big difference, but this is where we have most of the candles, most of the rejections. So it breaks below a retest and continuation. Yeah, this might be very good. How old are you? 24. Too young. Given that you mostly use 1 hour time frame, how long do you normally stay in a trade after you enter? Depends. Sometimes it takes 10 minutes, sometimes it takes a whole hour, sometimes it takes 2 hours, so depends. Just depends how market's moving. Please say something in Kosovish. It's not Kos, it's Albanian. So I'm gonna say good morning. In Albanian is Mirëmëngjesi. What are you drinking? Water. I drink water all the time. I hope I'm making you guys drink water too. Look at GJ, guys. It's almost 40 pips from our zone. No. Yeah, it's 40. It's 45 pips almost. It's crazy. I'm saying water, but who knows?
Bro, it's water. You don't do something like that.
What do you expect? Of course, water. Of course. Why do you think I'm going to the bathroom so often? Drinking too much water.
Yeah, it's melting. Everything is moving fast right now.
Yeah. Yeah. I hope CatGPY gives us something here. It's gonna be good, but we need a good break, not something like this. Did you take GK? Yeah. Yes, Jack. We took GJ early in the morning. But once we opened our eyes, we straight went to GJ. Phil, you are late. You overslept. You would catch GJ if you woke up early today. How long have you been trading? Since 2016. 2016. Another 5 years, I'm gonna be a veteran. 10 years of experience. No, GJ was not on the stream because it was even earlier than when the stream started. You were not earlier on the stream. You were earlier for the market. You were late for the market. Sorry. You were not late for the stream because GJ happened even before. Do you mind explaining what technical factors led to you to take the GJ trade? It is easy. We took it on the 4 hours. So what we did is we waited for a break above resistance. It closed above. While it was making the retest, we took a sell and price went to the upside. Nothing else. Easy as that. Bless you.
God bless.
My wife has allergies and they appear in the morning usually. You need to reward yourself, celebrator. No worries, I already did. The present is coming this week. Hopefully this week or at the end of the week. Something is coming. New whip? Yes. You're right. Something new is coming. This time I went for something different. Not a regular not the regular Audi or Mercedes or BMW. It's a new thing now. So waiting for break and retest. Price should continue with the downtrend. Yeah, it might continue to the downside. Who knows? Here NZD. If it breaks below, let's see the 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hour looks good also if it breaks below. See the daily. Daily looks good also if it breaks below. See on the daily, there's no traffic actually. So you're not a real Albanian if you don't have Audi, BMW, or Mercedes. I have Audi and Mercedes, so I'm more than Albanian. If you have both, what are you? Are you gonna take your AUD? No, because there's no setup there. It's at support. If you forgot that. Yeah, a lot of volatility right now. A lot of movements. Aussie dollar is about to be very good. With charting software. It's not a software, just tradingview.com. This is TradingView. I don't know how you don't know that. It's not EJ on 4 hour resistance. You meant CAD JPY. No, I think it's a little lower. But yeah, the 4 looks like it's at a resistance. See, let's go to CAD JPY. CAD JPY, you can put your line higher maybe, but look where most of the candles are closing. See where most of the candles are closing? And you have also this. So it's breaking both. I don't see that it's at resistance. It is breaking both. And look also left. It fits perfectly also with this resistance on the left. And I think we're going to fly to the upside. Just a matter of time. Yeah, we'll see. We have news. Anthony, how are you, Anthony? Yeah, look, if news are good, we might have another push on GJ. Look, it's flying. It is flying to the next zone. Didn't even wait. Straight to the next zone. Straight to the next zone. The runner is flying. Wow, 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 wow. This is crazy. This is crazy. The runner is around 67. No, it's around 60 pips. The runner is 60 pips profit. Yes, I'm gonna start to leave runners on the copy trader one day. But right now, not leaving runners. I think James asked me also. Not finding the question. But no, I'm not leaving runners on the C trader yet. I take partials or I close most of it when I reach, uh, let's say we have a zone in 10 pips, right? So if we have a zone in 10 pips, we gotta take some partials there because we might reject. If there's free traffic on the left, so you take whenever you're happy. Let's say 20 pips at least. If there's no traffic on the left. Gold, like I said about gold, it's at resistance. If it breaks this, there's a good chance for some continuation to the next zone. EU, it's nothing there. I took a look at EU, but it's doing nothing. It's nothing. There is nothing. Right now, CAD JPY is very promising. If we would have a good close, this is gonna be very good. I think we're gonna have more continuation. And Aussie dollar also can be very nice. We're just waiting for the breakout. USD Mexican pesos. Who trades USD Mexican pesos now? I used to trade it, but not anymore. It is too risky. It's not predictable. There's no need to trade USD Mexican pesos. I was looking at C Trader, and I'm gonna run it the copy trade. I'm gonna run it for another month because until now looks like it's not worth it. Looks like it's not worth it, but we'll see. I'm gonna run it for another month. Look at Euro USD. Why are you screaming, man? There's nothing here. What do you want to look at here? It's nothing. It's just consolidation. It is just consolidation. Price is at support right now, so there's nothing here. It is nothing. CAD JPY, this is our trade here. This is our trade. GJ is flying, yes it is. I like your trade. I want to know if there's a book to learn it. No, there are a lot of webinars to learn it. I'm not writing a book yet. Maybe I'll write one. Have you tried drop shipping? Drop shipping? What? Aussie dollars rejecting. Beto,
Yes, bro.
did you make at least a percent on GJ?
I only closed half, bro. I did 0.5%. I closed half at like 13 pips or something, or 10 pips, around that level.
Okay, better than
Uh,
nothing.
yeah, of course. And then it came back, and I didn't want to get stopped because there was a small level, right? Small, very
Yeah,
small resistance.
yeah.
And
When I saw this candle returning, I said, okay, it's just making another retest to continue more, and I was almost about to take another entry here, but it was coming from resistance, so I didn't. But yeah, it was clear. It's gonna continue. It's clear. Look at this, still going.
yeah, it's insane. I missed it, unfortunately, like the runner. I missed the runner, so it's okay. 0.5% on a Monday, bro. I can't complain, you know?
Yeah, still good.
Yes, still
Still
good.
good. We'll see.
Up 1.5%. Perfect.
Your the whole account is 1.5.
Yeah, the whole account
Yeah,
is 1.5%.
good. So you have 3.5 left.
Exactly. I have three and a half
Yeah.
left, and let me tell you, the last day is the 10th of January.
Oof, plenty of time.
Yeah, I'm okay
Plenty
with
of
that.
time.
My goal this week is like 2%. That's my goal.
Perfect.
And
You have a lot of time. Just let's check. Let's check. Let's check. Doesn't have much time. We need to find him a good trade.
yeah, his last day is tomorrow, I guess. I think tomorrow there's also less news. Tomorrow will be a good chance.
Yeah, tomorrow. Today there are a lot of news. 46 minutes we have GBP news. 16 minutes we have some Euro news. Then, well, I think once we're done with GBP, it looks like we don't have any news. This
We
is a
have
PMI on
USD.
USD. It looks like it's not going to be that much.
Yeah, so tomorrow is almost nothing. We have mostly yellow folders and then consumer confidence, orange folder for US dollar, but it's at 4 p.m.
Let's see tomorrow. What do we have? Some AUD on Asian session. Then yeah, nothing much. We have some USD news. Yeah, today is clear also. Today after tomorrow is clear. Today after this GBP news, you are clear too. No, guys, he's talking about 2% about passing the challenge.
What are they saying?
They think that you want to make 2% a month only, but they don't know that you're talking about something else.
Yeah, I just want to make 2% this week. I'm almost done then with the
Yeah.
verification. No need to rush.
Do I like GBP CAD? I don't know. It's not very pretty. GCAD's not very pretty. It's right at resistance right now. No, I don't see a trade on GBP CAD. So I'm not gonna do anything. Look at GU. Wow. What a push. Honestly, except CAD JPY, I don't see anything good right now. Aussie dollar also, It's trying, but still no breakout. And I'd rather wait for the 4 hour. And the 4 hour might take another 1 hour after this hour close. So we'll see. Website is myfxbook.com. FTMO is legit, yeah, it is. People are getting paid. It's easy to see if it's legit or not. Why the level 460 and not 500? It's all a zone, man. It's all a zone. So we're gonna need for a more than 5 pips breakout. It won't make much of a difference. We're gonna have to clear this, a clean break above. How do I get into Forex? Go to babypips.com. Learn the basics. babypips.com. No, you took GN, very nice. Are you on CJ? No, I'm not. Did I say I am? No, I'm not yet. Ash, what are you trying to take here on GJ? I don't like it. Yeah, I'm done with GJ today. I did my job on GJ today. I'm gonna wait for a better setup. Look guys, I did a simulator session yesterday is Saturday. It went also on Sunday. So if you guys want to see exactly how I take trades, I do it every day here, but also on a simulator session. You have the simulator session that I did before. You can go watch it. Ash, you sent the same one. Did you mean to send a different one? See, if cat JPY closes like this, then it's perfect. It's gonna be a perfect setup. Do you think GJ will be good for entry after a decent pullback? I don't know. If GJ pulls back, means it's gonna come from another zone, right? If it breaks above, it means it is too risky after. I don't know, we'll see. What I would like is maybe a retest around here, then some more continuation. But it means it's gonna come from another zone. It might be a bit risky, but I would take something like this better than taking a retest on this zone, because Look, if, is this zone gonna be as good as this? No. So that's the answer. Are there many rejections as here? No, it's only one, two. It's not as safe as would be to take it here. So if it's worse than this, I don't want it. I'll better take CAD JPY. Is a clean setup. If you had 30K to trade with, would you put all the money in the same account or put half in and trade with higher percentage? No. I'll put all the money in the same account and use a good risk, not high percentage, and try to make consistent profits, not 10% a day, because that means you're risking 10%. You might take a 10% hit. It's hard to come back from a 10% hit. You can put $500 in another account and try to flip if you want, to have an account to risk more, but not half of 30K, so not necessarily. UCAD, if it breaks, yeah, we'll see. Looks good also, UCAD. And it might be also 4-hour breakout later on. Even though there's a zone here. No, I'm just still gonna take CAD JPY, CJ. CJ is better still. It's better than USD CAD. NZD US dollar. NZD US dollar. No, not gonna take NZD US dollar either. Because what about this? Isn't that concerning to you? Why don't you wait for Aussie dollar? See, Aussie dollar is way better. Choose Aussie dollar and wait for the 4-hour to break. Even the 1-hour can break, but we'll see. Let's see. We have to wait. Aussie dollar. We have 7 minutes left. 7 minutes, and in 7 minutes we have to make a very good push to the upside, which I don't see it happening right now on AUD US dollar, Aussie dollar. So we'll see. That's why I'm saying that the 4-hour breakout would be way better. But on CAD JPY, can we take the 1-hour? Or is it better to wait for the 4-hour? Maybe it's better to wait for the 4-hour. Look, we're not gonna force trades, okay? Because it's early in the morning, we have plenty of time. So we're not gonna rush things, because we might end up taking a loss trying to force trades. Let's just wait for them to come to us. AUD New Zealand dollar. Yes, looks good. Maybe it's a small zone around here, but I don't see on the left. Why don't you send the whole chart on the left? Put this around here and see what we have all the way on the left, because there might be something that bothers us. AUD JPY. Okay, let's take a look. Because looks like you're in need to see what's happening here. AUD JPY is very close to the next resistance. If you're thinking about taking what? Buys on the retest of this? I don't know. Maybe you're thinking of that. It doesn't seem as a very strong level for me, but not that bad. It looks good. We'll see. If it goes straight to the next zone, wait for this zone to break. Then a retest for a continuation. Same as Aussie dollar if it breaks above. But this hour looks it's going to be a weak breakout. So 4 hour is going to play a better role here. GU buy. Oh, why would you buy GU? I mean, the zone is way too far to base the trade on. I think this is September, and now we are on November. So 3 months. We want to take. You want to take a trade on a zone that was 3 months ago. I think I'd rather wait for some consolidation before I think of taking a trade here. It's not for me. Still gonna wait for CAD JPY. Patience, patience. What about GA? GA is good. Yeah, GA is good. GA has a legit zone, but looks like it's already at resistance here. Skip it. Look, guys, we need to be picky, okay? We need to be picky about finding a good trade, not just take anything that comes in mind. We need to be picky to find a good trade because we're trading real money here. We don't want to lose that. So when we find a very good trade, we go that. Some of us already took a trade, so I understand that you guys want to trade also. Start the week, but don't rush it, okay? Don't rush it. Just wait, because the good trade is gonna come sooner or later. It's still early. Have some patience. At a time when you don't expect, boom, a trade comes.
Okay, we're close yet.
We closed.
Yes.
CAD JPY closed above. Very nice close. Aussie dollar, not a break yet. CAD JWI arriving CAD resistance now? I don't see it. Look where the major zone is. Where the major zone is. See? This is just a minor zone, if you're talking about this. This is the important zone. So now we have a 1 hour breakout. The 4 hour is not closed yet because I would like a 4 hour breakout better. But I guess 1 hour can be also good. It's just the thing is that the 1 hour is gonna need to make a very big pullback. I mean, it's not big, it's only 8 pips, but right at this time, look how big the candle should be to come to make a retest. So, what I'm gonna expect here, what I hope to happen here is, first thing, I think this candle should close like this, here. Then 4 hour close. 4 hour close means we break above this, right? So we get another candle coming lower to make the retest. Then what do we get? We get a big push above. And another one, and maybe a small pullback here. Then another push to the upside. Chinese versus Indian food, no idea. I never ate anything Chinese or Indian food, so I can't say anything. This is what I would like to see on CAD JPY. I just hope it takes some time in this candle and doesn't start to move right away. That would be great for us because it can give us a chance on the 4 hour then. And I think so. I think we're gonna stay around here somewhere. Then the 4 hour makes a pullback and we can enter buys. So let's see. Oh, look at EJ. EJ got rejected all the way up. Good. Might break above, who knows. What is the traditional dish in your country? Plenty, we have plenty. Traditional dishes. Go on Google, search for Albanian food, and you'll see things that you don't have in other countries that we have only. I don't want to watch food now because we might get hungry and leave the stream. Louis, no, I never had Chinese. I never had the sushi. It's weird, but I never had sushi. I'm gonna have some sushi. I just don't know what's in it. I like to know what's in sushi before I eat it. Yeah, Louis, you're right, I'm missing out. You know, I like food very much. I've tried a lot of things. I need to try some. Chinese is the best if you like cat? No, thank you. Staying away then. Real US dollar. hate to say it, but don't like Euro US dollar. I just want to see a clear break above. Look, if you want to wait for a break above this, right? You want to wait for a break above this. You're gonna need 10 pips breakout, or let's say less. Let's say 7 pips. You're already at next resistance. I don't know if you guys forgetting, but why not wait for the whole range to break? Wait for resistance to break. We clear the zone, we close above, we make a retest and some continuation. That's it. USD CAD is at support right now. CAD JPY is coming. Well, if it comes all the way back down here, I might take it. Why not? But I'll take it only if it comes at 500. We'll see. 470 would be good. 480, 490, somewhere here in a 3 pips range. Raw fish with sticky rice is sushi. Okay. Good. I don't like fish, but I want to try it. I like fish. No, I like fish. But in some places I don't. Look, the plan was to wait for the 4 hour to come. And the 1 hour is coming already. So maybe you remember the plan that I just told you like 2 minutes ago. I drew some candles. Maybe you saw that or no? Did you see that or not? No, I'm gonna wait for the 4 hour. Sorry guys, but I'm gonna have to wait for the 4 hour. I know that you guys want to take a trade, but you have to wait. You need patience. I don't want to take the 1 hour and then 4 hour end up closing around here and then don't know what to do. So I'll just wait for the 4 hour. If 1 hour close like this is perfect, then we'll have another retest on the 4 hour and we up. Not gonna take a trade on GBP JPY today because it's already did the move that I expected. No, I don't invest on Bitcoin. I invested on Ripple long time ago, but not that much, like a small amount. You made 95 pips, very nice, congrats. If CAD and USD CAD both break the zones on FOREX did a retest, which one would you take, CAD JPY? Any signal? No, sorry. Black Friday sale, up to 60% off plus 1 free month. TradingView is giving a good deal. It was already cheap, now how more cheap is this? Last time I paid for TradingView was very small amount. I even forgot. It's still running for a year. It's very cheap. Still waiting.
Laptops. Weiter, dann kommt so. Guck mal aber auch YouTube, schreiben keine Ahnung, 8.
Beytu was talking Turkish.
Yeah, sorry, bro. Was a audio message.
No trades yet. We took a trade, but you guys were not there, so no second trade yet. We are still waiting. We are waiting for CAD-JPY 4 hour. After that, then we're gonna have a very good setup. What do you think about binary options? Binary options are more like a gambling, because I don't know, I don't like it. I tried them once, but it's not good. I don't know if it's worth it. FOREX is way better. Binary options looks like a scam. I don't know. Maybe there are good brokers, but I just don't have enough information about it. Don't you think 79.550 it's a zone? No, It's I just talked about that. This is a major, that's a minor zone. Major versus minor. I'm expecting some continuation here after the 4-hour breakout. I'll expect some continuation after the 4-hour breakout, so yeah. Hello? Hello? Which pairs are most good for beginners? Pairs that are for beginners are the pairs that that are not very volatile, like Euro US dollar, Euro JPY, UJ, USD CAD, Aussie dollar, these. Do you have an USB to VGA adapter to run your third monitor? How do you get your third? They're all connected with my PC. My PC have a lot of spaces for even more than 3 monitors. It has another 2, I think. I've connected 3 and there's space for more. Aussie dollar breaking up. Okay, let's see. We're gonna wait for it. Yeah, my old computer I had problems to connect 3 monitors because it was not good enough to run 3 monitors. But there's some things you can buy to connect more monitors to your screen. More monitors to your PC, sorry. There are some gadgets that you can buy. I don't know how they're called. Do you do algo trading? No, I don't. If not, do you plan to? Maybe. But if I ever do algo trading, it's not going to be like 100% of algos out there. All of them sell tops, buy bottoms. Get in a 50%, 60% drawdown. Try to hedge positions, buys, sells at the same time. It's the same algo over and over again. Whoever comes with an algo, it's gonna be the same thing. Buys, sells at the same time. No stop loss. Stop loss 200 pips. Take profit 5 pips. I mean, I would like to see something different. Everyone comes with a new algo. At the end, once I see it, it's the same one. What's the best website to put money in MetaTrader? No, you need more information, man. You need to ask what's the best broker. Best broker, one of them, pepperstone.com. What I use IC Markets also. There's Black Markets, there's tradersdomain.com, plenty. I thought you said a while back that Aussie was a violent market. No, I didn't. Aussie dollar is not volatile. Euro, AUD is volatile. What is the most important thing to consider when you are choosing broker? The most important thing is to see if they're legit. If you put the money, can you withdraw it? Then second is to see the spread. Is it good for trading? Execution, is it fast? These kind of things. How much money would you recommend to start trading with the forex market? I don't know. I don't know how much people have. Someone has only $100. Is it enough? It's not, but maybe for him it is enough. If he spends $5 per day, then having $100 account is enough. If you spend 1K per month, then $100 account is not enough for you. Is Hugo's Way good broker? It's good. I think it's good. I've seen people using it. I don't know. I haven't heard many complaints about Hugo's Way. Aussie dollar already did a retest on the 1 hour? No, because it didn't break first. Had to clear all this on the left. I see that there's like a zone below, but I wanted to break above this too. Just to switch to 4 hour, you have a clear zone. CAD JPY is about to do exactly what I expected or not. CJ Daily, let's take a look. CJ Daily at the daily. Okay, so looks like we're at resistance on the daily. Yeah, okay. Gonna have to wait. Besides trading, do you have any other income? Yeah. Yeah, I think if a broker is not regulated or unregistered, it doesn't mean they're not a good broker. They're still good brokers. There are unregulated brokers that people have no complaints. They do withdrawals, they do everything just fine. 4 hour is gonna close in 45 minutes. No, 40 minutes. No, in 36 minutes. Yeah, CAD JPY at the daily. So we're gonna need a 4 hour break, a better break than this. Yeah, looks like we're gonna have to skip CAD JPY, even though I was very excited about CAD JPY because this level is very good. Aussie dollar, yeah. Yeah, if CAD JPY fails to give us a good 4 hour breakout, then I'm just gonna wait for Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar, we're gonna wait for Aussie dollar. GJ making a pullback. GJ making a pullback. No, thank you, GJ. Might reject after this, but I'd rather wait for a clean one. Aussie dollar 4 hour clean break above this consolidation box. What do we have on the left? Free traffic all the way up. Let's go Aussie dollar. Give us something. Let's wait for this.
tired yet?
No, not that much. I just need to. I don't know
Massage.
why I didn't do some warm-ups before coming. But it was very cold outside.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Don't let the sun fool you, because it's very cold.
Yeah, you can see the sun on your face.
Yeah, it's very cold outside. Winter is coming.
Yeah.
I saw in Canada it's already snowing.
Snowing.
Yeah, we had very very small snowing, but it barely do something. It was just some small. How they're called? I forgot. Are you no longer Travis? Wow, 2:30 to follow my channel. That's hard work. Thank you. I'm not considering EJ. Well, I don't know. EJ has a small range here. It's not the best. Fun happens. I move my mouse on a daily basis. I don't know. It's very small movement actually. If I play CS:GO, I might move it a little more than usual. Look at GJ. If 4-hour closes and it comes for a retest at 400, that would be a very good chance. Well, we'll see.
Yeah, I've been waiting like from last week for this. Also on GU, but GU already made a retest. Go to the 4-hour. I had a level over here.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, that one exactly.
Yeah, that one was good also. That one was good also. Yeah, we took GJ early in the morning. Once I saw this clear break up above, I didn't even think twice.
And you weren't worried we had the level above?
No. This is where most of the candles are closed. And the level above is this one. So it even closed above that. But this was the most important one because this is where most of the candles were rejecting.
So you took it when this one closed?
Here. Yeah.
Okay.
I took it in this candle.
Are you holding some?
Yeah, I have a small position.
Nice.
I didn't move my stop at break even for the runner, and I survived because I just knew that it's gonna fly. I wanted to hold at least.
But you knew that based on what? Based on the pattern? Based on how many rejections we had in that area, or?
The break and retest?
No, I mean, how did you knew it was gonna run?
No, I knew it's gonna run because look how strong the zone is. Look how long it took to break. Then you have suddenly a clean 4-hour push above. It only made sense to continue up. Wouldn't make any sense coming down. Momentum was great.
Yeah, so, can you go to 1 hour? Zoom out a bit. I was looking at this level. Yeah, the one you have. This one.
This one?
For a 1 hour break and retest.
Oh, this one. Yeah, yeah. I just said that. I just said that we might continue up now after making this retest. See?
Oh,
this level. Yeah. But no, I'm not taking anything. It's like if we take it here, we're gonna put our stop It's thing is the 4 hour is if 4 hour closes, we might come lower to make a retest on this zone. So I'm just not risking it right now.
Okay.
Let's see. Positive PMI. So the news came out 2 minutes before news came out. So previous better than expected, +3. What do you think is the last amount of pips a range has to be for us to consider safe? We need at least a 10 pips range, let's say. You know, a 10 pips range to fill. No, let's say you're gonna need a breakout of 10 pips. So you're gonna need another 10 pips after the retest. So it has to be like 20 pips range. On some pairs that are not very volatile, maybe 10-15 pips, but it's not that good to have only a 10 pips range. Because what about the breakout? Did you notice that Aussie dollar and New Zealand US dollar move the same? No, they don't move the same. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. Did you take GJ on the copy trade too? Yes, I did. 1.1% was made on the C4, 1% at least. I know full percent was made. Full 1%. So for GJ, didn't you use candlestick reading? The dragonfly, doji can't, no. Don't really care about dojis, dragonflies, crocodile candles. Yeah, sellers got faked a bit. Got all the way to the upside. I didn't really see GJ going down. I was more hoping about some continuation. You know, the fact that we had this bullish run, I realized we're gonna have a retest and probably continue more. You know, but yeah, that's what happened actually. That's what happened. Let's see, Aussie dollar. Yeah, only look at Aussie dollar. Look at it daily. Once it passes this, we're free. Free traffic on the left, all the way up. Well, I just hope we get a good breakout because rejecting like this is not gonna do good for us. So can buy GJ? No, you can't. You can't. Can't buy GJ. Don't you see GJ also is at a daily resistance? Don't you see that? See the daily resistance here? See, this might be also a reason for price to drop now that I see it. And this is a strong resistance. Be careful. Your NZD didn't break. Still getting a rejection. Your CAD, it's coming for a retest, but it's too risky because it's coming from another zone. NZD US dollar. GU. Aussie dollar, USD CAD. Yeah, I think only USD CAD is, only Aussie dollar is good. EA is sitting at support, nothing much. EJ still the same, EU still the same. At the end, Aussie dollar is the best. A retest is when you have a breakout and the next zone is another 20 pips to the upside, so you know it's going to continue to the next zone. A pullback is when price breaks a zone, doesn't make a retest, but goes straight to the next zone, hits a resistance, then come back. That might be a pullback, or it can result in a fake out. Yeah, Luis is right also. A pullback is a retest. So same thing actually. If it doesn't make a pullback, how it's gonna make a retest? So it's a logical thing. Not interested in CAD-JPY anymore? No. Because of the daily. I'll be interested if I see a 4-hour candle coming all the way and closing above around here. Yeah, just waiting. We have another 20 minutes, and we're gonna have a 4-hour close. So 4-hour closes are gonna be good for us. Gonna make some decision after 4-hour close.
Siad, what's a white thing next to your mouse? That one, yeah.
This one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is how do we call it? It's for gaming when you play. So it's for holding your mouse, stable.
Oh, for
see
the cord.
Yeah, see if I remove this, then the mouse is gonna go all the way the cable.
Okay.
So
Yeah,
this
I've never
way,
seen that in my life, man.
no, gamers have this. It stables your
Yeah, the cable of the mouse.
the cable. Because if I leave the cable, it might come all the way from the left, and it's
never
weird.
seen it in my life. Man.
Mouse bunge. Yeah, it's a bunge. It's a mouse bunge. You leave it this, and this can, if you.
Yeah, it's flexible.
Yeah, it's flexible.
You're investing in your gaming career too.
Pursuing everything, man. Trading, gaming.
Yeah, I saw you playing CSGO on Twitch, Sid.
How was I?
That was not too bad, not too bad.
Not too bad. Yeah, I'm not
What's
not that bad.
What's your account on Twitch?
Well, it's side effects 1 2.
1 2.
Yeah, because with 1 it was not available.
Somebody took it, right?
Somebody took it.
CSGO, yeah.
I like to watch professional players on CSGO.
Yeah, there are plenty.
Yeah, I was watching yesterday, I think was CAM Beijing. The guys, I think Vitality won.
Just which one?
Vitality, the French thing.
Oh. Yeah, there are some good ones.
You should create a team, man.
Yeah, usually the prize, not the prize, I forgot the money pool is like $1 million, sometimes $2 million for the winner.
In my country, there's one happening right now in CSGO for 25K.
Usually the major championship pays $1 million.
Yeah, I've seen that. Usually it's 1 million. Gaming is paying now.
Yeah.
Who would have thought?
It's gonna be bigger.
Yeah, it's just getting bigger. You have all these, they have created skins. You can buy knives or weapons, like they cost $100. There are 2K, 4K skins. You know, it's crazy. Look,
Yeah, if
people
you
are
get
paying
like the ABP
Look
Dragon
at
Lore,
this.
it's like 3K.
look at this. Look, there's 400. You know, and you can find this one almost more than almost 2K. Just look at this. It's crazy. This is crazy.
Wow.
1.4K.
It's a fucking knife, man.
Yeah, it's just a knife. $800. Look at this. Look at this. 1.2K. This is crazy, man. It's just a knife with some skins. You see, you open this for 400, and you can maybe have one that costs 1.5K, or you can have one that costs less than 400, and you'll be in drawdown.
Drawdown.
Yeah, it's crazy. It's getting bigger and bigger every day. It's getting bigger and bigger every day.
And maybe we should invest in a team, you know?
Do you play?
Oh yeah, hardly ever. Now that I bought a MacBook, so I can't because the Mac doesn't allow me
Yeah.
to play.
On the 1.6, I was very good.
Yeah, me too.
Gonna faint.
Yeah, then you know, when CS:GO started, I didn't really get into it. I mostly I did a pause like 4 years. You know, on that time where I started FOREX. I didn't want to do anything else, so I was focused on FOREX fully. I didn't play or anything at that time, so I kind of lost my reflections. You know, the reactions that you have on CS:GO. You need to be fast, and then yeah, took some time. Then I started again this last year, getting better, now.
Yeah, it's also a distraction after you made your profits, so having
Yeah,
what you do.
it's better, you know, if you find do something, it's easy to stay out of the charts then. Because if you more time you spend on charts, the more you're gonna be, you know, it's possible that you're gonna enter a trade, you know, because you're gonna see opportunities, and greed is gonna take you back in the
your
market.
life.
Yeah, it's gonna make you enter another trade, enter another one. So 1% you're out. Go play a game or do something. You know, you can even have another business for the rest of the day. A lot of things can be done now online. You know, I could have a lot more opportunities to do other things if I was in a different country. You know, but since I'm in Kosovo, uh, plenty of things are not available for in this country. From if I apply somewhere or want to open something, Kosovo is not on the list. So it's there's a lot of things restricted. One of the things is YouTube. See, YouTube, I can't monetize YouTube because I'm from Kosovo. At least until now, I don't know if I'll find a way.
Yeah, but someone from another country can do it. Just give them a cut and that's it. Better than nothing.
Let's see, NZD JPY. Well, this looks good. I don't usually trade this pair, but it looks good. Probably spread is awful on it. We'll
So, yeah,
see. Yeah.
what do you think of EJ 1 hour?
Yeah, I was thinking about buys after breaks above.
Yeah, exactly that one.
Yeah, we'll see. I mean, we got 1, 2 rejections. Now this candle is closing above. It's pushing. I don't know if it's gonna close or not.
This. I have
Yeah,
this. I have this one.
and these two here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I thought too. But I said we need a close in the middle, right? So to have some space to push more.
Yeah, we have also clean space.
Yeah, we'll see. Let's see. No, it was not my phone. Margin call from the broker.
It was mine. Sorry.
They call in to say don't make this much profits. We don't have all that money.
We cannot send you the money. I haven't got enough.
Travis, you might have a different time close. Maybe you trade with New York close or London close. I don't know. Might be a different. Travis, you just choose a different. Go to TradingView, choose a different broker. They have different closes. It might look different. That might look different. Well. I think at the end we're not gonna get anything. Look at your cat. Whole pullback. What the hell? I mean, look at this. Aussie dollar came all the way back down. It's about to give no breakout yet. That would be bad. Patience. Patience and drink water also. Euro JPY, yeah, we're waiting for it. So let's see.
I think EJ it's at daily resistance, right?
Yeah, it might be. Yeah, but there's still more room to come to the daily resistance. It's like another 10 pips.
I always see my chart. It's a little bit cheaper.
CAD JPY looks like a retest. where were you, man? Like, we talked 100 times for CAD-JPY. Go back earlier. We talked about CAD-JPY. Cause like I feel I'll bore people same thing over and over again.
Seth, have you checked EA for fake out?
No. Let me check.
We need a better close maybe, but possible, or?
I don't know. It might be good. You know, a good fake out would be if price would come and close around here. Then a retest from this, and then some continuation. But something like this now, we need at least like a 10 pip above close above, because we have some candles closing higher, some lower. It's not a very good level, like clean. What rank are you on CSGO? I don't know, very low, because I haven't played that much. GJ got rejected to the upside. Let's see. Maybe I'm thinking about taking EJ, but you know, I'm not very sure, to be honest. I'm not very confident on EJ. I don't know. I wanted Aussie dollar, but you know, it needs to make like a 10 pip breakout, and it's not doing that. It needs to close around here, you know, or made this wick, just stay there. But then it got rejected. No, still waiting. What would be the reason not to carry on the C trader? I think it's not worth it for me until now. I don't know for later on how it's gonna be. So that's why I'm running for another month. See if it's worth it or not. You're currently on a trade. Let's take a look. EU is closing good. No, EU, like I said about EU, we need to clean this resistance. I said before, I'm not gonna take it inside this. Hmm. 4 hours is in line, 4 hour bullish candle currently rejecting, 30-minute close below it. News related move expect to be corrected, clean traffic on the left, enter sells on this candle, stop loss above current. I think it's very risky. You might get stopped easily here. GJ is bullish. You're trying to counter trend it, it's too risky. EJ, EJ. I don't know. It's around 2 pips. I think it's only 13, 20, 12 pips a zone. Then this is the daily zone at 400. So we got only 10 pips zone. It's only a 10 pips range. I don't know. Waiting, 3 minutes left. How's GA? GA was to another zone, so we skipped GA. We said we're not gonna take it, but looks like it got rejected when it came. See, the thing is, we have another zone here. That's the thing. Let's see. 2 minutes left. If we don't have any on this, we might just go and come back the next hour on the charts, because it's not worth waiting for another hour when there's no reason to wait for. Aussie dollar is not closing above, looks like it, or it is very low. It's not going to be a good solution for us, because it might close with a small breakout, then move all the way to the upside, but doesn't fit our rules. Ash, yeah, I said about that on GJ. I don't know if we're gonna get that, but also remember to watch the daily. I told you before. Look at the daily on GJ. We're right at this very strong resistance. You have to be aware of that. Euro US dollar, nothing. EJ, weak breakout. EA still inside this. EJ in a consolidation box. USD CAD at support. Aussie dollar closed above, but very weak. I don't know what I'm gonna do here. I mean, it's 3-4 pips breakout. I don't really know. I don't know. It's too small for our breakout. It's too small. 3 pips breakout. It doesn't seem good. Let's see. CAD JPY. It's at a daily resistance. I mean, I would really love to take this. Is this daily resistance? I don't know. I mean, the 4 hour is pretty good, and it's going exactly as I expected. The 4 hour closed above this major zone here. See how strong this zone is. Just look at it. Now we have a close above. We even closed above this. See, we closed above this and above our support and resistance that we have. I think should continue a lot more than this. Fill the wick here, then push more. Only problem is that daily is around here. I don't know. Coming from a daily zone, how safe it is. Now let's skip it. Look, if it's going to take us this much time to think if we want to take it or not, there's something wrong about it, right? So only thinking about Aussie dollar, because Aussie dollar looks pretty good. It's just the breakout is so small. It is so small. I mean, if you guys want to take it half risk maybe. Take Aussie dollar half risk. B2 or Lazek.
Yeah, it needs to come where it was already, right?
Yeah. If it comes lower, take at least 0.5%. Maybe it's gonna help you a bit, because we might still continue, but you know, for me, it's not worth it. I don't know. It's just a small breakout. I don't like it. Maybe I like for the 1 hour. I'll wait for the 1 hour to close better. Then I'll take the retest. Because, you know, look, if we had a good break, you know, we have free traffic all the way up. I'm just gonna wait, actually. I'm just gonna wait. Yeah, maybe during the New York session, I'm gonna have some breakouts, some good breakouts. But right now, no, it's not good enough. We can still continue to the upside, but we're not gonna have the breakout we want. Unfortunately, we have to wait. We have to wait.
Bro, on Euro JPY, we have like 4 hour and 1 hour, both are breaking out. Both have broken out.
Look at the 1 hour. It's
Yeah,
one pip breakout.
Very weak 2 pip breakout.
Yeah.
Two, 3 pips, but the candle formation, like the way it has formed, I think it should go 8, 10 pips at least.
Yeah, the way it has formed, yes, but still, it's
Also the close. Such a long week on the top.
I mean, the way price came all the way up, rejected on support. The only problem is that this candle would have to close above better, and that would be a perfect candle formation also. But
So if you switch
this
on,
way,
switch to 4 hour ones, like there was a bearish candle and then a strong bullish close, right?
yeah, but we're right at resistance on 1 hour. It's too risky. We're just gonna wait for a better close, because this way it's not safe. You don't have a clean break above, so chance of going up or not as high as would be if it would be a good breakout. We can still continue, of course, but not as we would like to. The breakout is not as good. We would be risking without a good confirmation. Patience, okay? Patient pace. Just have to wait for a good setup. Might take some time, but it's gonna come sooner or later. Get GA. Either way, I wouldn't take this trade, even if I would see making a retest. Look at the pullback it was. Remember when I said that GA likes to make deep pullbacks? Look, it went all the way below the breakout candle, then it got rejected. It does this thing over and over again, and trading it with a 20 pip stop loss most of the time, it is not enough. Let's see, Aussie dollar probably is gonna push up, but what can I do? It was not a good breakout. So we'll see. Yeah, till the next hour, nothing yet. So gonna have to go, guys. Now gonna have to go because it's not. There's no need to wait for another hour here because there's nothing. We'll see next hour if we're gonna have something or not. So for now, have a nice day. We'll hear you guys on the group. YouTube, have a nice day. Use good risk. Take care for now. There's no trade for now until the next hour. We'll see next hour if we're gonna have something or not. No, I won't be back live. We already did 3 hours of live streaming. Look, for myself, I'm good. I already have a good trade in the morning. But I care about you guys too, so I want to find another trade for you guys. Unfortunately, it's nothing yet. We have to wait. It's still Monday, it's the morning. We still have New York session, so plenty of time. So for now, have a nice day. See you. Thank you all. Thank you. Leave a like or subscribe, or how do they say, if you like the session, and see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.